Perfect. Now we see the basic event information. And on the bottom of the screen, here is the Agenda tab. Whova lists all the sessions on each event day, and we can search an individual session by keyword. The session includes all the details like overview and handouts. You can add this session into your own personal agenda and set a reminder. All the sessions you saved are in My Agenda.
Now that is handy.
During the session, you can click like, ask questions, or leave comments, and rate the session. Here you can take down your personal notes too.
Cool. Look at that! Speaker profile.
Not only for speakers, you can see all the attendees' information. Here's the attendee list. With a little planning, you can make many valuable connections. Here, we can search by keywords including company name or title. See? Here's me.
There's you.
You can see my professional background information and say hi with a click or even start chatting through private in-app messages. And here, you can invite more people to join the conversation. Just convert it to a private group chat.
Okay. Here, what's this?
Ah, that's the meeting schedule. You can use it to suggest a time and a place to meet someone. If your request is accepted, you'll see a notification, and it'll also show up in your agenda.
Good thing.
Now here's the community board. I love this for posting things like, hey, let's have a dinner together. Any good places to hang out? Or, I lost my wallet. Has anybody seen it? And post a job too. Here, create any topics that you'd like to talk about with other attendees. It's a good place for networking, even before an event.
Wow, that'll be useful.
Of course, there are other cool features.